Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your CRM data with Zoho, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoho account. Navigate to the settings section found at the bottom left of the dashboard. Select Data Security from the options provided. Here, you will find various security features available for your CRM data. Start by enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Follow the prompts to link your authentication app or phone number for verification. Next, review user permissions to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data. Assign roles wisely and restrict access based on employees' job functions. After that, enable IP restrictions to limit access to your CRM from specific locations. Enter the trusted IP addresses to enhance security further. Now, consider implementing field-level security for sensitive information within your CRM records. Go to the Fields section in your module and configure permissions accordingly. Save your changes and ensure that they reflect in the user interface. To guard against potential data loss, set up regular data backups. Choose the frequency of backups according to your organization's needs. Regularly review user activity logs to monitor access and actions taken within the CRM. This helps you quickly identify any unauthorized activities or breaches. Next, consider using encryption for data both at rest and in transit. Explore the options for data encryption available within the Zoho platform. Finally, stay updated with Zoho's latest features and security enhancements. Regularly check the Updates section in your account settings for any new security tools. With these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your CRM data in Zoho. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.